Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in to a brand new video. We have 6, so it's actually a big session. It's probably one of my biggest sessions on video instead of live stream in a long time. We have a $120 session today. It's the $20 cash explosions. Everybody knows this ticket from around the world. And we have tickets 24 through black box 29. And the pack number is 191,000, so it's pretty low still. We have the $2.5 million. The odds are going to run you 1 in 3.09. So let's get to it. So the way this game is played, match and win. Find that sack of cash, win $100 instantly. 20x is, well, you guessed it, 20 times the prize. So without further ado, let's see how we do. And we're going to use Chris's Lucky Georgia Lottery gold coin, because I can't find his green one. But we will definitely get that double tap, that lucky swig. All right, let's get to it. $120. Let's see if we can't find a nice symbol first. Right off the go. Not a very good swiper, no swiping type thing. But hey, we'll do our best. Maybe we'll find that 20x with something beautiful under it. Whoopsie. Well, hopefully we get this one, because that's going to be $200. Nope. We're looking for a 26. Hopefully we get a 26. No duplicate numbers. 35, 45. Nope. 17. 9, 10. 12. And a 50. We won quite a bit on that 50 a couple days ago. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit down, a little bit further. There we go. The way it makes it look like you're straight up and down, looking at the ticket. Would you just look at it? All right, let's go. 33. Nope. 41. Nope. A van. A double van. 45. Nope. A 6-piece. Nope. 47. Nope. And 19. That would have been for 200. 19, 19, 19, 19. Nope. First dud. All right. Ticket 25. Looking for a 30 CF on. 13. Foul. 9. Make sure we're recording. 14, 5, and a 30. Let's go. 48. 40. 15. No 15. 23. 46. 29. Nope. 6. Nope. 11. 10. 36. Come on. These are big boy tickets. We need to find us a win. I can't wait until the new $20 tickets come out, whenever they do. Thought that was a winner. Hey, but the next one is 14. We got ourselves a winner. We're gonna win a chicken dinner. Hopefully it'll buy us a lot of chicken dinners. And we found the win earlier in the session, because we still have 4 tickets to go. So that means we have a good chance of finding another one. And then again, they could all be duds and they could all be winners. Who's to say? 31. All right, what are we starting out with? Ticket number, or winning number 14. A solid 20. We'll take it. It was 14, right? Yes, it was. All right, 14 for $20. Adds to the winning pile. All right, we're gonna do this the LV way. This is how he symbol scratches, symbol hunts. It's a lot easier, more accurate. Do we go back to back? Let's hope we do. Big 40 and a 9. Nope. Next. And a 3-piece. Nope. Sorry, it might be hard for y'all to see this when I'm doing it like this. But it's okay, right? As long as we win. And again, no symbols. See, look how much more smoother that looks. It looks beautiful. I think it looks beautiful. Alright, let's see how we do. Don't see duplicate numbers or anything. Nothing fancy. Starting off with lucky 30 deuce. Followed by a 25. With a 44. And with a 22. Now we just need that 33, right? 28. Nope. 45. Who's got the 45? Nope. And 46. Nope, that one's a dud. Dudleyville. Alright, it's okay. Still got 3 tickets to go to find something amazing. Ticket 27. Alright, let's see what we're looking for here. Looking for 46, 36, 25, 18, 27, 42, 20 deuce. Let's get it. I like this orange look. You guys like this one? Because I do. 27. 37. 31. Nasty 40. 13. 4. 39. 6. With just a solid little 3. So no singles. 29. 10. 35. Come on with 20X. The 20X used to pop out a lot. Not no more. 49. There's that 14 again. 33. Yeah, back in the old game, I would always find 20X almost every time I played. I would always get AZ'd on it. Most of the time. But not so much this time. That 20X is hidden. it sure is very hidden. Alright, we got 2 tickets to go. 28. Let's go. This one needs some love. That jungle love. Made that one a good one. Come on, 28. We're looking for dirty 30, 25, lucky 32, 48. This one's going to be a winner. 13, 45, and 38. Without further ado, let's see how we do. 47. 27. No singles. 35. That looks like... Oh, it's 45. 20 deuce. 30 deuce. 44. Nothing. 40 deuce. Nope. 25. Nope. 43. Nope. 45. We got a 45. Nice. We got a win. 33. Do we get anything with it though? That's the curious thing, right? There could be a 20X now for a $40 winner. 28, 38, 48, 46, and a 12. All right. So for this beautiful 45, whoa, smashed the camera. Let's get it. What we got? Hey, 30 bucks. So we're at 50 bucks now. Make sure we didn't miss nothing. Nope. All right, 30 bucks back. So 50 out of 120. So not good. We still got to find 70 more dollars. And this is ticket 29. Come on, this is the last ticket. Hopefully it's back to back. Big winner. Big winner chicken dinner here. 640, Von 50, 46, 10, 30, and 27. $36. This has got to be a back-to-back. It just has to be, right? There's no other better way to do it. 17, 5, 48, 44, 45, 29. What's this bottom row look like? 16. 6, 6 it is. Told you, it's just got to be a back-to-back winner. I just know these type of things nowadays. 14. I'm smart, right? I'm smart. That's why I've won the lottery so many times now. All right, well, worst case, what do we get? Little over half back. Worst case. I can deal with that, and they've all been single matches, which is good, because that's the only way. It's the only way you can win the top prize. All right, Mr. 6. What you got there, buddy? What you got? Something big? There's a 0. And it's another 20. We'll take it. We will definitely take it. I thought I saw the 41, but no. All right, so out of the 120 spent, we got back 20, 50, $70 back. So a little over half back. It's actually not terrible. I was hoping for, you know, obviously the jackpot, but hey, that keeps me playing. $70. We'll take it. So if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like or rating down below. And as always, take care, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.